Okay, so after the second round of clear, everything's hardened. We are going to lightly sand this now with 400. We're going to kind of knock down this orange peel a little bit. You don't want to sand too much because then you don't want to go through the clear into the overlay. So what I'm going to do is do a quick light sand around the whole thing, and then we're going to clear it again, but we're going to clear it a little bit more wet this time. We're going to blow it off. And as you can see, I didn't go all the way down on the orange peel. I just knocked the real high orange peely parts off and make it smoother. And from here we're going to do another clear coat, and we're going to do it heavier. Be back.